Hi, my name's Jim Pipp. I'm the sales engineer at Cornerstone Specialty Wood Products. ResinDek flooring panels can be used in a variety of applications, including material handling, robotics applications, and also self-storage. For self-storage, ResinDek presents several valued engineered opportunities that can provide significant cost savings in your projects. ResinDek plus those corrugated steel decking that it sits on top of weighs about 5 or 6 pounds per square foot, where concrete's going to weigh 40 or 50 pounds per square foot. When you eliminate that much dead weight from a project, you can reduce the amount of steel that's needed in the structure, reduce or eliminate footings that might be needed, and produce a significant overall cost savings. The ResinDek also gives you an opportunity to install your floors much quicker. The panels come pre-finished from the factory, so once they're secured down to the steel decking, you're finished with the floor and continue your construction process.